Who said you can't do a pizza, wood-fired pizza on a pellet grill? We got the heavy D in there that's got the wood chunks in there. We've got this grill turned on high. We put our pizza stone up on the top rack here. We're gonna put our pizza in. We'll give her a heck and see what happens. There you go. We'll be back in about 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been probably maybe 8 minutes or so. Let's take a quick look at this. Oh yeah, look at that. That is turning out really nice. You know, on a pellet grill, we've got the heavy D in there with some hunks of wood in there to generate some smoke. Yeah, this is working out good. Look at that. That's a nice pie, man. Okay, let's put this other one in there and do that one now. So, yeah, this is a pellet grill with our heavy D in there. We got that pizza stone up a little higher, so it's not really directly down on that flame. And okay, let's close her up and get the next one going. There you go.